Good morning. Yeah, I've got my voice back. Semi comes and goes. So I've missed y'all. Yeah, I've took a sabbatical of YouTube for a couple of weeks. It seems like anyway. I don't know how many days. But I'm back. Hopefully I'm good for a while. My annual cold or whatever. Yeah, it seems like I'm cooking some sausage back here, so I'll show you here in a minute. It seems like every year when I come to courtside, I get sick. I don't know why, but it happens. So let's look at my breakfast. Actually, I have this, and I was just going to cook this up for breakfast burritos tomorrow. But I thought, you know what? I had cottage cheese for breakfast, cottage cheese and tomatoes, and that was all I was going to eat. But when I was getting this out, I was like, ooh, a piece of sausage sounds good. So I am going to eat a piece of sausage. Got me some Hatch green chilies. I pulled them out of the freezer. Yeah. So for my burrito in the morning, I will have green chilies, sausage. Oops. Hopefully there's not any plastic in my pan. I don't think there is. Yeah, I think it just shriveled it up. Boy, that was like smoking. Anyway, what was I saying? I am gonna have green chilies, egg, sausage, because I'm just gonna cook all this, crumble it up, and cook that for in the morning. But I wanted to say good morning, and I think I'm back. We'll see. Not doing a whole lot. Still resting, but I wanted to at least say good morning. I'm doing okay. I'm getting well. It was a long one, that's for sure. Okay, I know I got a hair that's trying to fly up. I've been sitting outside in the wind, and I shouldn't be. Not very long, though. Anyway, I am here in Yuma, and I've just got into the truck to do this part of the video because it's too windy to video outside. Sammy's in the truck camper, and I'm not moving, but I just want to kind of fill everybody in. My last, I don't know, video that I did when I was here, I told you most of the month of December is helping C-Dub's journey out with her eye surgeries. So, yes, I was sick. Remember these? Yeah, pull them out. I was not able to. I was too sick to take her to her surgery and her follow-up. So she had a friend come and take her. However, I was here in Yuma with her just in case she needed anything, and that other friend had to leave. So if she needed anything, mask up. She would mask up, I'd mask up if she needed anything. She's done really well. So she still has one more surgery, obviously. Her other eye for surgery, and I'm still going to be wearing a mask because I don't think I'm contagious anymore. It's just still hanging on. It's just kind of still there. So I don't want to get around her. I don't want to, you know. So we're being very, very cautious. And like I said, had to pull out the, isn't that weird? Sometimes you just think back to that year, 2 years, 3 years, whatever it was, when life was crazy. But anyway, I just wanted to give you an update. I am probably here in Yuma for most of the month. So, just staying the distance and just been in my camper, not doing much of anything, just trying to get well and stick my head out every once in a while. But anyway, I am able to talk now, and my voice is back, and I've missed y'all, and just wanted to kind of give you an update of what's been going on. And yesterday I ran some errands. I didn't even film that yesterday. It was like I needed to go dump my tanks. I didn't get water. I haven't really found anywhere to get water here without going to an RV park. And I don't need it, but I went ahead and bought 3 gallons of fresh water because I can do minimal washing dishes. I just need water to flush my toilet, basically. And so I did go to Walmart and had to drop something off at the post office and dump my tanks. So I did all that yesterday. So just waiting until C-Dub's next surgery, and I'll give y'all an update. Well, gosh, it doesn't even feel like it's blowing outside now, but when I was out there, it was blowing. And yeah, I know I don't need to be out in it, so. But I had a mask on even outside because of the wind. But just checking in with Dubs and how she's doing. But anyway, I don't know. I might get into something this afternoon. Like cooking something for dinner. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens.